Hi friends, today I would like to introduce you a smart, interesting test bench from Zera. It is a test bench for the smart energy meter testing and calibration system. This facility can be used for test, measure, and do the calibration as well as the certification test of the smart energy meter, both the single phase and three phase CT operated or fault current meters. The accuracy of the reference meter here is 0.02 that enable to measure or calibrate the meters which is from 0.2 S2 class 2 accuracy equipments. Coming to the standards of energy meter, it is basically 13779 is the highest standards that is used for the normal type of electronic energy meter. Then coming to the smart energy meter, it is IS 16444. There are laid specifications and standards for testing all these communication as well as basic the accuracy test of these smart energy meters. We are doing the following tests by using all these Zera test bench based on IEC and IS standards specifications. For example, pre-warming test, accuracy test, starting current test, creep test, dial test, voltage and frequency unbalance, influence of harmonics, influence of voltage and frequency, etc. can be measured by using this test equipment. This is a general standard for basically all the energy meters. From that, we are coming to the smart energy meter. Additional some tests can be performed by using our Zera 3-phase MT310 equipment. The communication test is like its smart meter communication with its optical port, and then RF communication port can be tested, and the smart meter functionality for routine tests can be performed, and the burden test, tamper test, stress test, etc. can be performed by using our new 3-phase smart meter communication equipment. The voltage range may be a 10 volt to 500 volt and the current range up to 120 ampere. And coming to the specification of the communication, what are the communication feasibilities, communication facilities that can be tested by using this equipment. It is basically it can be measured, it can be tested smart meter on its optical port, how the optical port behaves with the communication equipment. This is based on the standard IS 15959 and 16444, and also we can test the communication capability of RF port with the equipment. Then we can perform the functional tests such as A30 of IS 15959 part 2 and table 29 of IS 15959 part 3. That means association and data read of this energy meter with the communicating devices. The associated test system software has the facility to check the correct association of all connected smart meters on the meter test bench. Regarding the data rate, the associated test system software have the facility for selecting any 5 or more readouts from the instantaneous parameters listed in table of 15959 Part 2. The user can select or deselect the parameter randomly based on this their requirement. So easily the data can be read from the our test system has a facility to read the meter data, instantaneous data as well from the smart meter. So the communication can be tested. Then another facility for the smart meter is connect or disconnect facility. That has to be tested by using a testing equipment. This is also possible by using our Zera 3-phase energy meter test benches. Disconnect and connect commands can be sent and do the performance. Then we can get the nameplate details also can be measured. Then also another facility, added facility is there, like it can use to measure the power consumption of the smart meter, whether it is as per the standard of no IS 16444. Also it can verification of electrical transfer condition like voltage missing, low voltage in any phase, voltage unbalance, current missing, current reverse, current unbalance. That all can be tested and measured by using our smart meter test bench system.